video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Craigslist. For those people who do not know Craigslist, Craigslist is a simple site. It's not that complicated where you guys can buy and sell stuff. It's pretty simple. You guys can get stuff for free as well. If you guys know Facebook Marketplace, then Craigslist is also the place like that. You can get a lot of secondhand stuff for really cheap. So just keep that in mind, and yeah, be aware of scammers as well. There's a lot of scammer in Craigslist. So without any further ado, if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website of Craigslist. And this video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step is you want to go to your search engine, search for Craigslist login. Once you search for it, you want to click on where it says Craigslist and the sites. You click on it. It's going to take you to the official website of Craigslist. Now, once you're over here, most people do not see the login button or like where you guys can sign up because of all this work over here. Most people don't see it. But if you guys can see it at the left top corner, you can see where it says my account and like a small word over here. You want to click on my account. Once you click on my account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can log in into your account. Over here, you want to enter your email or your handle of your Craigslist. Once you do that, you want to enter the password. After that, you want to click on login. After entering your email and password, if it is correct, then you guys can log in into your account. If it is incorrect, you guys won't be able to log in into your account. So when you're entering your information over here, be sure to enter the correct information or you won't be able to log in into your account. After entering the correct information, click on login. You should be able to log in into your account. It's that simple. And if you guys forgot the password of your account, you can always click on forgot password to recover the password of your account as well. And if you guys want to create yourself an account, you can, enter your email address over here and click on create account. And an account will be created on that email address. So it's that simple to create yourself an account and log into Craigslist.